Hey everyone, welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Join me in creating fun and unique bath items. Hey everyone, my name is Dora. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different bath items: milkshake bath soak, bubble bath icing, and a milkshake bath bomb. This tutorial is extra special because the inspiration behind it comes directly from one of you guys. So thank you to Creole Nola Mix, a fellow Louisianan. I visited one of her favorite bath stores, Nectar, and was inspired to make this. By the way, I started a poll in the community section of my channel. I'd absolutely love to know your favorite bath items that you buy and from which store that you buy them from. Among several other beneficial ingredients that are great for skin, this milkshake bath soak has coconut milk powder, colloidal oatmeal, kaolin clay, hemp seed oil, and dead sea salt. These ingredients are not only skin loving and nourishing, they're also conducive to relaxation. Divide the mix. I'm making white, red, and pink, each with additional corresponding ingredients. Milk powder is a cleanser that smooths skin for a great complexion. It also keeps skin hydrated, soft, and moisturized. The hibiscus flower is a featured ingredient of this antioxidant-rich, nourishing bath soak. It's known to speed up cell turnover, improve skin texture and tone, reduce wrinkles, and it's also a great all-natural moisturizer. Dry the mix for 24 hours before you assemble the milkshake, that way it doesn't clump. But if you're making bath bombs, you should make them right away. The featured item of this tutorial is the milkshake, but I couldn't help myself. I really wanted to know how the milkshake bath bombs would turn out. I figured I already had the mix ready, so why not just make a few anyways? And I'm glad I did. They turned out so cute. This segment is less than a minute long, but feel free to skip to the next chapter if you're wanting the milkshake. The milkshakes that I saw had a very simple design and didn't have decorative salts or icing or anything, but I always add extra, and in this case I'm really glad that I did. The fuchsia magenta salt adds interest with a contrasting texture and a lovely color pop that complements the other colors. I had no idea I was gonna do the bubble bath icing on top and was really bummed out because I didn't have the correct cups to begin with. But I ordered them today, so I'll definitely be making another version of this project. Just make sure to pack the milkshake well after each layer and pack it on an angle if you want the diagonal stripes. personally felt the milkshake needed whipped topping, but I didn't want just plain sugar or soap. I wanted something that could be implemented with the milkshake, and the only thing I could think of was bubble bath. But just like my name indicates, I try out lots of new recipes all the time, and this is no exception. This was the first time I tried it, so it's not perfect. It's something I'll perfect in the future, but it did exactly what I made it to do, which was create a lovely topping to finish the milkshake look and create an amazing bubble bath before dumping in the relaxing milkshake bath soak. As I'm watching this, it looks complicated, but in reality, it's simple. Just remember to add ingredients slowly, one at a time. The only issue, which was more odd than an actual problem, was that the exterior of the icing oxygenated overnight and turned from a neon pink to a burgundy red. But other than this, it was perfect. Check your icing to see if you have stiff peaks, and if you do, you're good to go. So once the icing is piped, finish the milkshake with a few candy sprinkles that tie into the theme. I loved how these turned out. They're absolutely beautiful, but in my opinion, the whipped bubble bath icing made it all come together. Without it, I don't think it would look finished or half as cute. Not to mention the added bonus of a lovely light pink bubble bath that you get with the milkshake. So you can see the icing has a firm exterior, it also has a soft interior, and pieces easily break off. The icing is firm enough, but it'll never get rock solid. I was absolutely amazed at how great this bubble bath icing worked. It worked better than some of my bubble bars and scoops. It was fantastic. Once your bubble bath is ready, pour in some milkshake to infuse the water with an amazing scent and beneficial ingredients. The water takes on a wonderful, soft, milky, velvety texture, and it also turns opaque, just like milk. Once you're in the tub, relax and soak in all the wonderful benefits of this milkshake. Connect with me anytime. I've linked my email, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest accounts. And if you make any of my projects, I would absolutely love to see pictures. You can post them on Facebook. I really enjoyed this project. And if you're interested in this project, refer to the description where you'll find helpful tips and the supply list at the bottom. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration and stay updated with weekly videos featuring fresh ideas and fun bath projects.